piglet and she's brave. She can be cheeky.
But she never misbehaves.
This is Gobo, he's a very bouncy goat. He loves to butt.
And eats too much.
Pardon? There's a dinky little donkey named Dash. If you're in trouble, in a flash. This is Digger, he's a happy little pup.
Is he cute?
Dead right.
Can he bark?
Not quite. And when you put them all together,
And they love to be together.
they'll be friends forever. They're a big ball farm.
It's all the fun of the fair this morning, because today it's the local school summer fete, which is always held at Big Barn Farm, and the school children are busy setting up.
Lovely hay.
It's not long before all that noise reaches the Farmyard bunch playing in the field.
What's that banging?
What's that shouting?
What's that laughing?
What's that smell?
I wonder what's going on.
Hey, wait for us!
Wow, what a cake! It's the fruit cake for the Guess the Weight of the Cake competition. Everything is ready for the fete, so there's time for a cool, refreshing drink. But is it wise leaving everything out with the Farmyard bunch around?
Look at all those balloons.
Look at all those flags! Look at all those toys!
Look at all that cake. Go, go, Gobo.
You can't eat it, Gobo.
Oh, yes, I can.
It might be for someone else.
Huh? There's no one else here. Go, go, go.
No, wait, Gobo!
Oh, just one nibble. Please.
We've got to keep Gobo away from that cake.
Yes, he'll eat it if we don't keep him busy.
And we'll all get the blame.
What's that over there?
Cake. Come here, cake.
Hey, Gobo, look at Dash!
I'm busy.
Gobo, look!
This is the best fun ever, Gobo. Nearly.
Oh, coming. Don't go anywhere, cake.
That one, Dash. That one, Dash. Get that one. Ooh, and try and get that one.
Well done, Dash. He's bobbing for apples. He has to get the apples out of the pool just using his teeth. Simple enough, but Gobo has one question.
Can I go back to the cake if I get all the apples out of the water?
Yes, all right. Don't worry, Digger. It'll take ages to get all the apples out.
The sooner I get the apples out, the sooner I can get back to the cake. Go, go, Gobo.
And that was the news. Now the weather.
That was fun. Now I'll just have a little nibble of that cake.
Dash! We need to keep Gobo away from the cake. Do something!
Look at me, Gobo.
Come on, Gobo. You have a go.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Gobo's spotted the cake again.
Cake.
You'd better think of something else to keep him away from the cake petal.
Hey, Gobo, check this out.
Huh?
This is great.
Oh.
Look at me.
Be careful, Digger. You don't want to float away.
I don't think Gobo's thinking about the cake now.
It's working. Oops, my balloon. My balloon. Oh.
Oh, my cake. Time for a cake break.
Uh-oh. Better think of something else, Farmyard Bunch, or Gobo's gonna gobble that cake.
Gobo! Look! Look what I've got! Whoa!
Look at me!
But despite their best efforts, Gobo has just one thing on his mind.
Just one nibble. No one will notice. Just one bite. Just one bite.
No, Gobo, don't!
Oh, Gobo, look what you've done!
Oops.
There'll be no guess the weight of the cake competition now.
Oh, no! Look at the mess you've made, Gobo!
Me? What about the mess you've made?
Well, whoever made the mess, a mess it very much is. Cuddly toys on the floor, cakes all ruined, and everything upside down.
Do you think they'll notice?
I rather think they might, Dash.
There's only one thing to do.
Eat the cake?
No, we made the mess. We have to tidy it up.
Oh.
And here's just the cockerel to help organise a tidy up.
It's Lester.
What is going on here?
Sorry, Lester. We were just looking at all this stuff. And some of it fell down and made a mess.
I can see that. Right, this mess needs tidying, and tidying needs organising. Farmyard Bunch, we need a plan of attack.
Too late. The farmer's wife and the children are coming back.
My plan is... I'm off.
Hide!
Oh dear. The farmer's wife and the children aren't very happy. Who could have made this mess? They must be hiding here somewhere. But they're not hiding very well. I'd know those ears anywhere. And that snout looks familiar. Nice try, Digger. I can see you. But when everyone sees how sorry Petal, Gobo, Dash and Digger look, they soon forgive them. No real harm's been done. Well, apart from the cake. And the farmer's wife has an idea how the Farmyard Bunch can make up for all the mess they've made. They can help with the fete.
Over here! Pass it to me! Oh, yay!
Children can play football with Petal.
Over here, over here! Oh!
Dash can give rides in his cart.
Hold tight, please.
Digger can fetch the balls at the coconut shy. And Gobo? Nah, how can Gobo help? Well, thanks to Gobo, it's now the Guess the Weight of the Goat competition. And for all his help, Gobo gets to eat the crumbled cake.
Pardon?
And by the time he's finished all that cake, he'll weigh a lot more. A perfect end to a day which started off badly. Gobo tried to eat the cake.
Just one bite.
The others tried to stop him by playing with all the other games. They bobbed for apples and made a mess. They played with the balloons and the flags and made a mess. And in the end, Gobo knocked over the cake and made a mess.
No!
But afterwards, they all helped to make it the best fete ever. That's all for now. See you again soon down on Big Barn Farm.
This is Petal, she's a piglet and she's brave. She can be cheeky.
But she never misbehaves.
This is Gobo, he's a very bouncy goat. He loves to play.
And eat all day.
Pardon? There's a dinky little donkey named Dash. If you're in trouble,
Will you help me?
in a flash. This is Digger, he's a happy little pup.
Is he cute?
Dead right.
Can he bark?
Not quite. The ducks are splashing in and out the pond.
The missus chicken.
Gossip, gossip all day long. Madame is French and lovely.
La.
And we all know who goes cock-a-doodle-doo. Mrs. Snuffles and her piglets come to play. And on Pop makes sure that everyone is safe. Who's the tallest of them all? It's Mac the horse. And last, not least, they're friends.
The sheep.
Now you've seen them all together.
And they love to be together.
They'll be friends forever down on Big Barn Farm.